This is Playa del Duque beach, and this is Playa del Duque beach in Costa Adeje, and I have to say it's one of the nicest beaches in the area, if not Tenerife. It's really nice, and I'm going to show you a wee walking tour. So follow me. So there's the beach, and we're going to go up here and see what we can see. It's my first time exploring this area, so you're seeing it for the first time from my perspective. So I hope you enjoy. Now, I've been doing a whole series of videos, and really this morning I started out, see at the far end, that is Las Américas, and beyond that is Los Cristianos, and that's how far I've walked this morning. Yeah, my feet are killing me, but I'm enjoying it. La Torre del Mirador restaurant. So I've taken a wee walk down here. Del Mirador shopping centre. So in that I'll take a wee brief look. Might as well. This looks very upmarket. Costa Adeje is a very upmarket place. Guessing a lot of designer things. Oh, it's quite nice. It smells really nice walking about. I don't know what that smell is. It's like essence or something. It's like incense or... Good restaurant up there. So I think it's lots of wee mini boutique, maybe some designer shops. It does smell really nice walking about here. Really nice. So we'll just go back out. It's a chemist. So we're back out in the coastal walk. When we last look at the beach. I said in a previous video that this is a really good coastal walk, and I was saying about how I did a coastal walk in Salou that I thought was beautiful, but I think this beats it, I really do. The more I see, the more I really like it. And it's free to do. Just get out and walk. And there's another beach. I'm not sure what the name is, I'll see if it's got a wee sign. In the course of my walk, I've passed quite a number of beaches. Hard to remember them all. I did know from Los Cristianos to Las Américas, and then a couple of ones along the way into Adeje. I wasn't sure. Adeje I've passed, I don't know, about 5 or 6. I knew a couple of them, but aye, it's a lot to remember. And if you look, Playa del Duque beach, it stretches right across to here. When you're walking across, you could be forgiven for thinking this was another beach, but no, it's Playa del Duque. So I'm going to keep walking down here. Somebody selling beach towels. That's a lovely walk. Our holiday finishes tomorrow, so tomorrow I make up and cram some last minute filming in, but I'll wait and see. But this is my last full day of filming and I've really enjoyed it. Going to see somewhere different. I just wish Jacqueline could have joined me for this one. She would really like this. This is Playa del Duque Beach North, and you can see it's got that kind of volcanic sand, the black sand. First time I ever saw this kind of black sand was in Lanzarote. It was really black because of the volcano ash, I think it is. It's weird when you first see it and you've never seen a beach like that. And this is the Hotel Rio Palace, Tenerife. It's a 5-star hotel. It's one of the best hotels in Costa Adeje. And just look at that, look how chilled out that is. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed that video. It's a really nice walk. I've really enjoyed it and I hope you've enjoyed it too. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.